This is going to be a video tutorial on how to view your saved items on the Facebook app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I am on my iPhone now and I am logged into the Facebook app. To view your saved items on Facebook, first thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner, down to your little profile icon. You want to tap on the profile icon. Then you need to find saved in this area right here. You need to scroll down it. You could click on see more, but you need to find saved. My saved is right here. I'm going to tap on saved. And then it says most recent. And down below that it says see all. If you want to see all your saved items, you would tap on see all. And then it will bring up a list of what all you have saved. You just scroll down through it. It should be the most recent to the oldest, but that is how to view your saved items on Facebook using an iPhone. Thanks for watching.